mātou mahine o mai o tātou tīpuni. Aronui te mihi, he rotou, o tā mai nei, roto i tēnei o tātou. Tō reira, kaore nui ana te korero, hoi ana kei te mihi atu ki a kōtou. Tēnā kōtou, tēnā kōtou, tēnā kōtou katoa.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We have just expressed our pride as descendants of the Te Arawa canoe, which was one of 7 that migrated from a land called Hawaii to Aotearoa, New Zealand, in the year 1350 AD. The Te Arawa canoe landed on the coastal regions of this country at a small place called Maketu. The captain of our canoe was called Tamate Kapua. Now in his honour, they built a beautiful meeting house, which is now sited at a place called Ohinemutu. But the very first Tamate Kapua meeting house was sited on Mokoia Island. Now speaking of Mokoia Island, we have a legend that comes from there of a handsome warrior called Tutanekai and a beautiful maiden named Hinemoa, who lived on the shores of Lake Rotorua. And like most love stories, this one has a good ending. As you can see, standing before you are some of the descendants of that long ago love story of Hinemoa and Tutanekai. And now we would like to present a bracket of poi dances for you, beginning with a single short poi called Pakete Whero. Then we're going to go into the double short poi called the Purere Hua, or the Flight of the Butterfly. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was the haka or Maori posture dance. The haka was done in the early days by the warriors before going into battle to enable them to warm up every muscle of the body, even the tongue. And now we'd like to present the most intricate of all our poi dances, beginning with the double long poi and then going into the quadruple long poi. And this poi depicts the flight of the white heron or the kotuku bird.
Boy,
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that brings our show to a close. We hope that you have enjoyed everything you have seen today as much as we have enjoyed entertaining you. We'd like to take this opportunity of wishing you all a very pleasant stay in our country, and if someday you should return to Rotorua, please come and see us. We'd like to close with just these few words of farewell. They come from the scriptures, and in Māori they read, Ko te whakapono, ko te tūmanako me te aroha, engari ko te mea nui o enei, ko te aroha. As we walk through life, there are just three things that will always remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of them all is love. Haere rā.
See the beauty and character of New Zealand presented in a way that seems to take you there. New Zealand Video Tours are specialists in creating programs that help you explore this unique land for yourself. From the grandeur of the South Island to the action of the North Island. Join us on a journey of discovery through the living, moving wonderland of nature called New Zealand. Sail the fjords. Wander the thermal region. Watch the whales. With New Zealand Video Tours Natural Wonders. Produced in English or German for only 45 New Zealand dollars plus postage and packaging. Add 3 New Zealand dollars for within New Zealand, add 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. Available in every international format. Unspoiled and in many places unchanged since its discovery, New Zealand's natural wonders are now available on video CD. Charter this rugged land for yourself. Discover the havens of wildlife. Catch the quirks of nature. When and how you like. Through the interactive technology of the CD format. On sale for only 45 New Zealand dollars, plus postage and packaging. An extra $3 New Zealand for within New Zealand, and 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. Compatible to CD players with digital video cartridges and video CD players. Experience the music and action that comes from the heart of the Māori people. whose culture and traditions are unique to New Zealand. Te Amukura cultural group are direct descendants of the Te Arawa tribe, one of the first to settle New Zealand. Based in Rotorua, their daily concert celebrates a heritage that goes back centuries. This is the Te Amukura concert in full, on sale for only 40 New Zealand dollars, plus postage and packaging. $3 for within New Zealand, 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. Available in every international format. When you want to see all of New Zealand, there is only one way, through the Coast to Coast New Zealand video tour. From the tip of the North Island, across the volcanoes of the Central Plateau, through the living lands of Rotorua, to the alpine mountain peaks of the south and beyond. Enjoy the breathtaking scenery, the resorts, the culture, and the cities on a journey from coast to coast. On sale for only 45 New Zealand dollars. For postage and packaging, please add $3 for within New Zealand and 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. Produced in English, German, Japanese, Korean, and Mandarin. Available in every international format. For those who prefer, we have the same excellent presentation showing New Zealand's scenery, culture, cities, and resorts on CD, putting you in control of your journey. CD technology enables you to start, go to, and finish wherever you want. Become an active traveller on New Zealand Video Tours Coast to Coast Video CD Tour, compatible to CDI players with digital video cartridges and video CD players. Just 45 New Zealand dollars plus postage and packaging. Please add $3 for within New Zealand and 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. A simple to control, rich visual journey through New Zealand, combining the fantastic scenery captured on New Zealand Video Tours best-selling coast-to-coast video with the mobile North and South travel guidebooks, award winners in their own right. Plus over 1,000 coloured photographs to produce an interactive program offering over 4,500 items of travel information. Truly a travel treasure of New Zealand, this all-inclusive multimedia presentation is second to none. Available for only 80 New Zealand dollars plus postage and packaging, $3 for within New Zealand, 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. New Zealand's foremost multimedia encyclopedia, filled to the brim with a library of facts, photographs, illustrations, and video clips. Together, they make learning about New Zealand an adventure. And when you've found what you want, just print. And what you see on the screen is now in your hand. Direct to you for only 80 New Zealand dollars plus postage and packaging. $3 for within New Zealand, 10 New Zealand dollars for overseas. This product is Windows compatible. To order your copies of New Zealand Video Tours top quality products by phone, fax or mail, you will need to include your name, address and phone number. Please give the specific title of the product you would like, and if a video, the language you require it in. If you are ordering video presentations, please request the specific format, namely PAL, NTSC or CCAM. Finally, of course, you will need to itemize the number of copies you would like. Please phone, fax or mail your order to New Zealand Video Tours Limited, PO Box 34422, Auckland 10, New Zealand. Phone or fax 6409 415 9310. All major credit cards accepted.